My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal, an English author. We are continuing the series of the Islamic Gunism in Kashmir. Yes, Islam is always Gunism against the human values or the civil society. The true Muslim is not a good person, but he is a certified terrorist, certified criminal, as Muhammad was. Muhammad committed so many heinous crimes, including the rapes, the robbery of the non-Muslims, and he took 20% of that robbery. His lion's share or the largest share was the Muhammad ibn Abdullah, who was self-proclaimed prophet, never recommended by anyone, never recommended by Allah, because Allah is a fallacy. Allah is a fake character or mythological character, as the Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh is the mythological characters. Because a Brahman cannot be born from the mouth of the Brahma. So this is the mythological character. So Allah is a fallacy made by the Muhammad. So today we will discuss about the continuing the series of the Islamic Gunism against the Kashmiri Hindu women in Kashmir. How the Islamic Gunism or how the Islam allows the rape with the non-Muslim woman, and what were the Islamic goons in the Kashmir in the name of the Jihad-e-Asghar. Jihad-e-Asghar is the terrorism. Every Muslim who thinks about the Jihad-e-Asghar is a terrorist, certified criminal, as the Muhammad was. Muhammad was the greatest criminal among all the criminals. So we will tell you about the some Islamic dictator or Islamic goons or Islamic criminals in the Kashmir who devastated the Kashmir. The first criminal was Mir Ali Hamdani, the so-called Sufi venomous poisonous snake who imposed the Islam in the Kashmir. So now in the chain of these Islamic goonism, we will discuss about some goons of the Islam or the criminal, certified criminals, as we told earlier from the very first, very, very nearer to this video, very second last video, excluding this video. So we will tell you some Islamic goons, Islamic terrorist. Every Muslim is a rapist. Every Muslim is a robber if you follow the sunnah of the teaching of the Quran or Muhammad. The Quran is the teaching of the Muhammad only, not any Allah. So we will discuss about now the one Islamic criminal, Zakaur Rahman Lakhavi, born in 1956 and is the key partner of Hafiz Saeed and the top leader of Lashkar-e-Toiba, and currently serves as the supreme convener of the malicious violent operator in Jammu and Kashmir, and is the most wanted list of NIA of India, a graduate of Jamia Muhammadiyah and Ahle Hadith. Ahle Hadith means who is the expert in the Hadith and follow the teaching of the Hadith. He is the ethnic Punjabi. His mother Mulana Muhyiddin Lakhavi's stepsister, early Hadith or the Hadith scholar and leader who passed away in 201 at the age of 93. In 1982, he participated in the Islamic Jihad against the Russians, and afterward is now against USA and eventually became chief of Lashkar-e-Taiba. In 1999 press conference after 3 days annual congregation held at Muridke in Punjab, he explained how they did the Fidain attacks, suicide bomb attacks against India after Kargil victory over Pakistan by India. Because the Indians, everybody including me also, were enjoyed their victory, which created too much frustration. In the name of the Allah, they could not win against India. They are the son of Allah. And Allah made victorious the Kafirs, as Pakistani generally thinks, and Allah was not so powerful. For revenge, really, God are neutral every time, so we are compelled to against India by consent of the Almighty Allah. He stupid said that next target is our Delhi. In 206, he asked to his cadre to take training of the suicide bombers for Indian attacks. He was involved in Mumbai attack 26 to 29 September 2008. In Mumbai attack, he was addressed by the Azmal Kasab as mouth-born Chacha of brainwashed stupid terrorist. Ajul Kasab and his associates and this tongue-born Chacha gave rupees 1,50,000 rupees only to Ajmal Kasab family for participating in the Mumbai attack on 3 October 208 and December 7th 208. Pakistani Armed Forces arrested Lakhavi in raid as Lashkar-e-Toiba training camp near Muzaffarabad in Pak illegally occupied Kashmir. It is our firm belief that one day this inhuman natural devil will be perished by the Indian Army. Azhar Masood, 10th July 96 was born, live on dated. Masood Azhar is the founder and the leader of Jaish-e-Mohammed and a radicalized Islamic doctrine of Al-Tawbah chapter 9 verse 5 states, kill the kafirs or non-Muslims. He is the true Muslim in this respect because he is following the theory of the Quran. Against kafir, as Mughal in past time, he was born in Bahawalpur, Punjab, Pakistan. He was the third of 11 children army of his parents. Azhar father Allah Baksh Sabbir was the headmaster at the government school, as well as cleric with Devbandi extremist ideology, and his family operated a dairy and poultry farm. Azhar dropped out of mainstream school after 8th standard and joined Zamulum Islamic School from where he graduated in 1989 and became a teacher of the terrorist industry of the Pakistan under principalship of Pakistan ISI and Army. This madrasa chap or this madrasa was involved with Harkat ul Ansar and enrolled in a terrorist camp training at Afghanistan. Despite failing to complete the course, he joined the Soviet-Afghan War and retired after serious injuries. Therefore, he was chosen as the head of Harkat Department of the Motivation. He was the editor of Urdu magazine Said-e-Mujahideen and the Arabic language Swatch-e-Kashmir. Azhar later on became the general secretary of Harkat ul Ansar and went to many countries by raising funds and recruit the terrorist is world, especially in the Islamic countries. He went Zambia, Abu Dhabi, Saudi Arabia, Mongolia. Surely he is idiot because Mongolia is a Buddhist country and he went Mongolia to read the history of Mughal, but he did not read this, that their father were forcibly converted to Iceland after molesting their women. This United Kingdom and Albania. Activism in Somalia by Masood Azhar. He confessed that in 1993 he traveled to Nairobi, Kenya to meet the leader of Al-Ittihad Islamiyah and Al-Qaeda aligned Somali group. Activities of Masood Azhar in United Kingdom. Activism. Europe is still soft target for the Islamic Jihad because most of the Europeans do not know the real doctrine of the radicalized Islam to kill the kafirs. So they are Europeans, these countries are giving asylum these fanatic people. And after some time, these people do the same as they taught or learned in their mind. In which Quranic verses state as per Al-Taiba verses 5 state killed the kafirs in August 1993. Azhar Masood entered the UK for speaking for fundraising and recruitment for terrorists. His message for jihad was given at the same of the Britain's most prestigious Islamic institution, including Darul Uloom Bury, Sindri. Darul Uloom Bury Seminary, Zakir Masjid, Medina Masjid in Blackburn and Ornelle. Harkat ul Ansar in 1993. The terrorist organization Harkat ul Ansar was established and Masood Azhar served as its General Secretary in 1998. USA Central Intelligence Agency CIA stated that Harkatul Ansar is an Islamic extremist organization that supported by ISI, integral sabotaged inhuman agency or evergreen slaughtering inhuman agency, and the Pakistan army, which army surrender army against Indian army with the strength of almost as an average 24 brigade or exact 993,000 soldiers of the Pakistan along with Pakistani government increasingly is using tactics against Westerners and random attacks on the civilians that could in the using terrorist tactics that could involve Westerns to promote pan-Islamic agenda. Central Intelligence Agency CIA stated that Harkatul Insar kidnapped at least 13 Western country tourists in between 1994 to 1998 term period. Arrest in India, Masood Azhar. In 1994, Azhar traveled to Srinagar and under a fake identity of ease tension between Harkatul Ansar, feuding faction of the Harkat ul Zihad al Islami and Harkatul Mujahideen. India arrested him February from Khanabal near Anantnag and imprisoned him for his terrorist activities. On being arrested, this stupid said, the soldiers of Islam have come from 12 countries to liberate Kashmir. We will answer you carbines with rocket launchers as he thought Indian security has no rocket launchers. What a stupidity. It may be possible he do not know that Indian military is so capable to beat all Islamic countries only 14 days or maximum 16 days. In July 1995, Sikh foreign tourists were kidnapped in Jammu and Kashmir. The kidnappers were referring to them as Al Farhan, including the release of the Masood Azhar. Among their demands, one of the hostages managed to escape, whilst other was found in a decapitated state in August. The other were never seen or heard on mobile communication if would be provided by kidnappers. So it is clear that these innocent people were killed by the head of the fanatics, stupids, and the radicalized terrorists, or in Hindi, Narpichas, human devil since 1995. Released after hijacking of the Indian airline IC-814 or simply 814 en route from Kathmandu in Nepal to New Delhi was hijacked and eventually landed in Kandahar. In Afghanistan, Kandahar at that time was controlled by the Taliban militants, Narpichas or the human devils. Initially thought of the Indian government that they are on the Indian government side, but later on it was confirmed that the Taliban was with the Pakistan ISI and with lunatic radicalized people. Masood Azhar were one among two. Three devil or terrorists demanded to be released exchange for the freeing the hostage, although Ripan Katyalji from Gurugama was murdered for country by these stupid devil. Along with Taliban lunatics on the way of earlier, Masood Azhar was one of the three terrorists was freed by the Indian government. This was the wrong decision by our Indian government, and our government might be teach a lesson from Mossad, an Israeli agency, not to surrender at any cost because they already killed a young man, Ripan Katyal. Hijackers of the IC-814 were led by Ibrahim Athar, brother of Masood Azhar. His younger brother Abdul Raif Asghar has planned this hijacking shortly after his release. Azhar made a public address to an estimated 10,000 fanatic people in Karachi. He proclaimed, I have come here because this is my duty to tell you that Muslims should not rest in peace until we have destroyed India. Going to liberate the Kashmir from India in 1990, Harkatul Ansar banned by the United Nations due to the Islamic Zihad. Then Harkat ul Ansar changed as the name Harkat ul Mujahideen. So Jaise Muhammad, who formed the Jaise Muhammad? Azhar Masood planned to start new group of the devils or a new terrorist organization, Jaise Muhammad, Army of Muhammad. He was totally patronized by ISI and the Pakistan Army. Jaish-e-Mohammed, run by Azhar, founded it as his family enterprises. Zamia Binoria Madarsa is the school which produced the international Gundas, goons, vagabonds of the Islamic radicalized doctrine against Kafir, and his affiliation with Devbandi of India, as he asserted many times himself. This madrasa linked with Jaish Muhammad, as Masood Azhar owned his personal talking or addressing in many public meetings. Interestingly, Jaish Muhammad linked with Afghani Taliban. This Jaish Muhammad was involved in 12/9/2001 Parliament attack in India, 2008 Mumbai attack, and in 260 Pathankot attack on Indian Air Force Base. 219 Pulwama attack was done by these idiots of so-called Hazrat Muhammad Army section of Masood Azhar group. As Jaish-e-Mohammed and himself also, the US Treasury is prohibiting Americans from engaging in any transactions with three Pakistani-based terrorists and a friend group, Al-Rahma Trust, called as Operation Fronts for Jaish-e-Mohammed. But the Chinese government vetoed for Azhar Masood to enlist it as terrorist. However, in May 2019, China cleared that Masood Azhar is a terrorist and must be declared as global terrorist or the goon. So these are the some Islamic goons who were involved in the killing of the non-Muslims in the Kashmir and the rape with the non-Muslim women. And Islam allows the rape with the non-Muslim women. This is the pure Islam. Thank you.